Hello everyone, this is the lab session number 6 for Introduction to Computer Organization, CMC 222, lab number 6. Actually, this lab number 6 and number 7 and number 8, the last one, is with the QtSPIM software. With this software, if you check the web page and also actually our lab page, you can find this software there, and also you can just search it in the Google and just write QtSPIM free download, and you can download the file and install, and the install is so pretty actually it's pretty simple. Just click next. It's nothing difficult at all. Actually I installed this software before. With this software we are going to run and assemble some file with the MIPS format. Actually MIPS is it's a kind of language that you can write different hardware language. It's a hardware language that you can modify and set the different registers. You can add the different register, you can save something, you can load something in the register, and it's pretty simple. Everyone can use it, and you should use this software for the lab 6, lab 7 and lab and lab 8. Okay, and also in this lab sheet I write the link that you can download the software from here, and also I told you can find it in the internet, and I add the link here, and also I added the link in the lab page. Okay, here I just want to give you some point for something that is important in the MIPS. So the language that you are working is MIPS, and the software, the ID is QtSPIM. In the language, sometimes you can see something like this. The symbol is for the comment. It means that something after this symbol is not going to run, and the compiler cannot see this statement. Actually the compiler ignore everything after this symbol. And also after that you have something as an identifier. When you see some symbol like underline and like a dot, it means that after that everything is an identifier, and you use the identifier to define different things and that you are using in your code. We have identifier example. For example, this is one example. Dot data and dot word is one kind of identifier. And also in this code you can see something like this. Just write the word, write a letter, and after that finish with 2 dots. It means that it's a label. And in different statement, sometimes you want to jump to that label. You need some label, so at first you have to define this label, and in some lines later you can ask the compiler to jump to this label. And it's a bit different from the higher level programming languages. That's why maybe it's a bit tricky, but it's pretty simple. Then other things here. Okay, you can read this explanation, and also I think I will add some more tutorial about the MIPS and QtSPIM in the PDF format in Microsoft Teams. You can use them as well. And here in the lab sheet you can find different identifier: byte, data, global, and this is the description of each identifier. For example, byte is for the store and specified value in memory, or so for example data is something else. You can find its explanation here, and also you can search it in the internet.